Well, hello everyone. It's Thanksgiving time still. So we're going to take this time to give a little bit more thanks. So just close your eyes and relax. Make yourselves comfortable. And just bring your attention now to all the blessings in your life. All the countless blessings. And just stay focused on those. On the air you breathe every day. On the water you drink. On that sky above you. You can look up to. And the stars at night that you could dream on. The sun that shines every single day. Warms you up. Just give thanks for our eyes that can see, our ears that can hear, our voices that we could use to speak, share wisdom with, our hands that can touch and feel, our heart it's full of so much love that we can share with others. And just take this time remembering all these countless beautiful gifts. Think of all the good things going on in your life. The steps you can take with your feet. How you can go anywhere and do anything. You can move your body. You can think and create new things. Your ability to feel. All the lessons you've learned this past year and throughout your life. All your celebrations. All the good days you've had. Just focus on them now. Remembering them fondly. Giving thanks for the blessings. And just focus on that energy building within you. The energy of gratitude and thanks. Let this energy stay with you, not just now, not just a couple days a year, but every day, all year, every moment. Let us remember all the things to be grateful for. And at this time, we're going to thank our guides and angels for always being there, always supporting us, always encouraging us, wishing us well, offering us their guidance. And we're going to ask them now for a couple more pieces of guidance. Before we do though, focus on saying thank you again to them. Our guides that we pray to every day, our angels, our loved ones. Let us be grateful that they listen and that they're always there. Really feel that gratitude, that we can always count on them. call on them again for a little bit of guidance, whatever message we would like to hear right now or we need to hear. And the first message is refuge. The message is refuge. It's a beautiful day out today. The sun is shining. So take your time to go outside, soak up that sun, take refuge in that sun. Leave your problems behind you or any other concerns. Leave them in the background and open up to that sun above you, that light above you. Continue to focus on the positives in your life, the blessings in your life, the things to be grateful for. Let everything else fade away. Anytime your mind wanders, just bring it back to that sun above you. And we're going to call upon them for another message. And their message is the fairy ring. So they offer you the fairy ring. They remind you to connect with nature, to have fun and play outside amongst the trees and the plants and the grass. And just have fun, letting things be, exploring. Spread your wings out, your spiritual wings. Enjoy yourself. The majesty around you, the miracles all around you, the creative spark all around you. Anything is possible. Everything's so magical. Just open up to that magic above you and all around you. Carry that ring with you everywhere. And the next message they have for us is forbidden fruit. They ask you to open up to anything and everything without judgment. We're here to enjoy our lives, make the most of them, to partake of all different kinds of fruits, all different blessings, to enjoy each and every one of them. Even those that are judged forbidden by others, or things that you've judged yourself as forbidden for you and for others. The angels ask you to keep your mind open, to not judge, to let your soul run free and fly free. Keep your heart open to all the blessings around you and see the beauty in everything, even the forbidden things that you judged. There's beauty and love in everything. Take solace in that. And the final message, abundant blessings. So let the abundant blessings all around you become apparent to you. May you enjoy each and every one of them and be grateful for all of them. Continue to keep an open mind and receive those blessings and give gratitude for them. We are truly blessed. We are truly lucky. Slowly take your time, saving up all that energy, that abundant energy, and give thanks and slowly come back.